Hello, so this is the new Aicok fully automatic kettle on the left, and on the right I've got my trusted old kettle that I got from one of the shopping centers here. So that's a pyramid kettle. This is the brand new one with all these temperature controls. Now I read some of the reviews and they say this is slower, makes a lot of noise, but I think my existing one actually makes a lot of noise as well. So this is a quick comparison test of how fast they can boil 1 liter bottle of water. This one's got 1 liter, you can see the mark, and that one's got 1 liter as well. So you can barely see. If I move water, you can see that's 1 liter. That says it can take 1.8 liter. That seems a long way up, but it's pyramid, so that's why the markings go up. And this is more even, so it's more evenly spaced out. So here we go. I want to do both at once, so I'm gonna press. There you go. So it started. That's 1 liter water, and my trusted old kettle is making a lot of noise. So this one's making a lot of noise. How about this one? It's barely begun. Mind you, the test is about boiling 1 liter of water in the kettle at the maximum temperature. This one doesn't have any temperature control, but the new Aicok one is by default 100 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature we use here in the UK, as opposed to some of the reviews I read where the temperature control was in Fahrenheit. I don't understand that. So just listening on this one's very silent comparatively. So that's 1.7 watt, and I think this one is about 3,000 watts. Just don't want to be making up stuff, so I'm going to verify how many watts this is. But literally I just want the water to be boiled from a cup of tea. It's picking up right now. I think it takes a bit of time to pick up, but once it started, I think it's doing its job. So race is still on. None of the kettles have stopped. I can hear boiling. The video records this. It's obviously warm. It seems warmer. Trying to boil the water at the maximum capacity in terms of temperature. So mind you, we are comparing a 3000 watt kettle with a 1.7 watts or 1.7 kilowatt. That's still going on. So as you can see, the sound is all from the Aicok. Kettle, and let's compare my trusted old one that's definitely 2500 to 3000 watts. That's a lot of power for a kettle. No wonder that makes a lot of noise. But yes, this one's still going, and I think it takes little over a minute to boil 1 liter water, but on the plus side it takes less electricity. Hopefully it's doing the job nicely. It's got a square base, which I kind of like. It's got a wide mount for putting water. The problem with my trusted old kettle was this mouth is really tiny. So if I use my jug to fill in water, I normally don't use a tap. I use a Brita jug, and accidentally I just pour water over the shelves. But this one's done now. and yeah, so it's taken a good minute over. So this is slower, but I think this is more silent, less noisy. That one's more noisy. So yeah, this is the test. Thank you.